Hi friends, welcome to my channel NM Learn My Courses with Nagmani. Today I am going to start new chapter, that is calculus. In calculus we will see mean value theorems and maxima minima and definite integral. And coming to the topic calculus, in this class we will see limit and continuous function and differentiable function. Okay, and coming to the limit, if suppose a function f of x is defined near the number a, when near the number, when means we are writing as limit x tends to a f of x each is equal to l, which is some constant, and we are representing as limit of a function as like this. Okay, and coming to the topic continuous function, a function f of x is said to be continuous at x equal to a if satisfies these three conditions. If you see the first condition here, f of a is defined. F of a is defined means for a given function f of x, they are given some f of x function, and if you find the f of a value, then you get finite number, then it is said to be f of a is defined function. Okay, and limit extends to a f of x exist. When we are saying limit f of x is exist, means limit extends to x tends to a minus f of x, which is equal to the limit extends to a plus f of x, then that means left continuous, which is equal to right continuous, then limit extends to a f of x is exist. Okay, and coming to the third point, limit extends to a f of x is equal to f of a. If these three conditions are satisfied, then that function f of x function is said to be continuous at x equal to a. Here I have wrote this some note points. If you see the first note point, a function f of x is said to be continuous at x equal to a if limit extends to a minus f of x equal to limit extends to a plus f of x equal to f of a. That means right continuous function which is equal to left continuous function which is equal to finite number. Then the function is said to be a continuous at x equal to a. And here limit extends to a minus f of x is equal to f of a, then f of x is said to be left continuous at given point, that is x equal to a. Okay, and similarly limit extends to a plus f of x is equal to f of a, then f of x is right continuous at x equal to a. Okay, if you said x equal to a is right continuous, then these conditions should be satisfied. And here I wrote the in graphical method. This is the x component and y component. They are given x equal to some a point. I wrote when we are writing limit means it approaches to the this point. Okay, and right continuous means a positive part, that limit extends to a plus f of x equal to f of a. So this portion is called as right continuous at x equal to a. Similarly, this side is called as left continuous at x equal to a. Okay, and coming to the differentiable function, a function f of x is said to be differentiable at x equal to a if satisfy this condition. Okay, if satisfies this condition or another condition is written here. Okay, and limit extends to a minus f of x minus f of a by x minus a equal to limit extends to a plus f of x minus f of a by x minus a. Then this condition satisfied, then it is differentiable at x equal to a. Okay, this can also written as here limit h tends to 0 f of a minus h by h equal to limit h tends to 0 f of a plus h minus f of a by h. Okay, or we can use f dash of a minus, which is equal to f dash of a plus. Then then the function f of x is said to be differentiable at x equal to a. Okay, and I wrote the some note points here if you want to see here. Okay, if f double dash of a minus equal to f double dash of a plus, then it is the first derivative, that is f dash of x is differentiable at x equal to a. If f dash of a minus which is equal to f dash of a plus, if this condition satisfied, then the function f of x is differentiable at x equal to a. If double derivative of that function a minus equal to double derivative of function a plus, then then that first derivative, that is f dash of x, is differentiable at x equal to a. Similarly, if third derivative of that function a minus, which is equal to third derivative of a plus, then this condition satisfied, then double derivative of f of x is differentiable at x equal to a. Okay, and I've wrote some 3 note points which are important for any competitive exam. If you see here, differentiable function is always continuous function. If they are given some f of x function, whether it is continuous or differentiable, they are asking. If you find directly differentiable function, then it is differentiable, then it is automatically continuous function. Okay, and continuous function need not be differentiable. Okay, understand? Continuous function need not be differentiable, and similarly discontinuous function not differentiable function. So discontinuous functions are not differentiable function. And in next class we will see some problems which are asked in previous GATE exam, and they are also important for IP point of view. Okay, and thanks for watching.